Alright, man, we good. Alright, bet. So, Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy, Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top, man. Today, we're going to get into a little subject that I kind of touched on before, but I just wanted to go back over different things. Different things have happened since we last talked. And by the way, today is Friday. Friday is the last day that you can enter the giveaway for the Hare 6s with me and Premium Kicks. If anybody hasn't heard about that, my last few videos, just go to my Instagram. It's linked down below. My last photo just tells you all the rules that you have to do. Just go over there and comply with that. And good luck to whoever wins tonight. Be by your phone by, like, I would say 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock when we give away the winners. Also, I do have a box right here that I want to unbox real quick from Soul Premise. Soul Premise is like the premium bag company. Really, like the only sneaker bag that I have are from Soul Premise, to be honest with you. So I can't even tell you that I've seen better because I just haven't seen better. I'm not going to lie. I'm excited to see what they've given me because it's been a while since I had a Soul Premise backpack. And I know they had a lot more designs and a lot more stuff over there. So let's see what they sent over. I think I got this one already. Oh, this is the duffel. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so this is that blue duffel bag. And this is hard because I got the backpack already in this color. That's why I thought I already had this one. And I believe this was the one that Unbreakable Kicks and Soul Premise has collabed on. Yeah, it's the blue duffel and the blue backpack. It is fire. You see that? It is hard. Oh, it got the little... Oh, they adding stuff to it. Yeah, the last one didn't have this on there. Oh, yeah, this is fire. This is fire. Y'all see the quality on that right there? The quality on the bag. When it comes to quality, Soul Premise definitely got the lockdown on quality and pricing. If anybody want anything over from Soul Premise, I believe my discount code is Snipe Squad. You get 25% off or 35% off. Yeah, 35% off any of your purchases over there. This is the duffel. They got backpacks. They got, man, toiletry bags. They pretty much got it all, man. But as y'all seen, Jordan Brand has decided to push back the Air Jordan Hare 6s. If y'all see my video, I did do an early review on the Jordan Hare 6s over at Premium Kicks ATL. I said in that video, I don't know what the value of that shoe going to be going for because I can't tell you if it's going to release. Obviously, it's been like so much madness going on the last few weeks, almost to like a month where, you know, riots, the passing of George Foreman, the death, the murder of George Floyd, and the murder of George Floyd. And it's just been like so chaotic because even with that, we still got coronavirus situations. And it's like the looting and the rioting. And that's what pretty much set it off for the Air Jordan 6. You know what I'm saying? Like I knew that going into everything after seeing all the stores that was vandalized after talking to a break. And he like every store in Chicago got hit. I'm like, bro, how did do y'all really know how many sneaker stores it is in Chicago? I've been to Chicago like 5 times. And it's like a sneaker store on every corner. You know what I mean? It's like in Atlanta, they got as many sneaker stores as we have Waffle House in Atlanta. It's crazy. It's like unprecedented. It's an unprecedented amount of sneaker stores. And for every last one to get hit, I knew it was going to be some drawback. There's no way that Jordan Brand can give retail stores shoes if all their stores have been vandalized. And I think that even if they do give stores shoes right now, it's just another target to hit, right? If we find out, or not we, if people find out that stores are getting a full-size run of, you know, Air Jordan 6, they're just going to go right back in. So I think it was a good idea to push that shoe back. And I just wanted to talk about it because even though we've talked last time, so much has changed, man. Like, you would have thought after all this uprising, after all this stuff going on, people will probably understand a little bit more. But then I'm in a car on my way to the gym, and then I hear like the comments made by Drew Brees, and it's just like, bro, people really still just don't really understand. You know what I'm saying? And it's so crazy because if you look at Drew Brees' situation, it's like, how do you not understand? How do you not understand? Like, you play football. Football is a predominantly black male sport. You know what I'm saying? If you look at any football team, 90% of that team, maybe even more than 90, is going to be black. And if you've been playing football since Pop Warner, middle school, high school, college, NFL, that means every single locker room you've been in has been predominantly black. Every single one. I mean, some of your best friends is black. Think about it. Like when you play sports or when you at a job, a lot of y'all work. A lot of y'all work 8 to 10 hours a day. If you think about your time and how you manage your time, you probably see the people at work more than you see your own family. If you at work 8 hours a day, You come home, you might shower, you might go to bed, wake up, do it all over again. Or even if you spend a little bit of time with your family, probably spend like 3 hours with your family. You spend 8 at the job. So you really see people at your job more than you see people in your own household. Especially for Drew Brees, because he's a professional athlete. So that means he's probably there all day, every day, throwing, lifting, running with the same group of people. And it's dangerous for him too. Like, not even trying to be funny. You gotta understand, football is 90% black. Maybe higher. Your whole offensive line is black, bro. You better hope they block for you. And I'm not even trying to like put that out there. I don't want nobody to get hurt, but I'm just saying, like, that's just the reality of things. Like, you can't be saying stuff like that and expecting them to make sure that you don't get hit. But regardless, it's just weird to see how people just don't understand what's going on right now. Now, the title of this video, I don't even know what it's going to be. It's probably going to recollect something about the Air Jordan 6 being pushed back, because obviously that's what y'all would resonate to if I was to title it something different. The viewership, I would just say, wouldn't be what I wanted to be. But at the end of the day, you know, this is a reason why shoes will be pushed back. And I think not only the Air Jordan 6 will be pushed back, I think in the future, more sneakers will probably get pushed back due to how we handling everything. Here in Atlanta, they got like military downtown. You got to be in the house by 9 o'clock. And now on the weekends, you got to be in the house by 8 o'clock. And they literally have military. I got friends that's in the military that do like, what do you call it? I don't want to call it like a partial military, but they do it like, you go in and you go out. You know the people who like live at home, but they like go in on the weekends to be to be a military guy. I'm sorry for being uneducated about that, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Army Select or Army, I don't know. But some of my friends are downtown patrolling the streets right now, making sure people get in the house by 8 o'clock. And it's like, wow, bro, it really came to that. I've never thought I would live in a time period where like this is really going on. And this is really going on. And I applaud all the other YouTubers who took a stand, or not even taking a stand. I just applaud all other YouTubers who use their platform. Because at first I didn't know if people was going to do it. I'm not going to hold you. Like, when I made my first video, I think I was like the first YouTuber to make a video about it and be like, have my own opinion about it and a strong opinion about it. And I was like, damn, you know, I wonder if people going to follow up off that, or if nobody. And I'm not saying I'm the reason why. Everybody has a voice and everybody pick and choose when they use it. There's nothing wrong with that. I didn't, you know, ignite an engine under nobody, but I didn't see nobody do it. And I was just wondering like if anybody was going to speak up. And now I see just about everybody with a video just stating how they feel about it. And I think it's important. It's important that you hear from everybody, and I applaud it. But I just don't know what to look for in the future. I know when it comes to like sneaker content, it was very hard to create sneaker content during the beginning of the pandemic because everything was kind of shut down. Now here in Atlanta, everything is opening back up. But when it comes to sneakers in particular, it's going to be hard to do sneaker content when there's no sneakers around. That's why I'm thankful for Premium Kicks for allowing me to pop up and do early videos with them, because that's always like a good outlet to have somebody to be able to work with like that. But on a regular basis, it's going to be tough. So for my people who new to my channel, man, make sure y'all subscribing because I need the support. Also, smash the what button is that? I'm tripping right now. Smash the bell, the notification bell, because that is what allows you guys to know whenever I'm posting new content and whenever I'm going live. I've been going on IG Live a lot lately, and I'm gonna do a lot more with that too. I'm gonna do a lot more with that. Oh, by the way, this has nothing to do with the video, the move. I don't know if y'all remember my first video of 2020. I gave y'all like a list, like a full breakdown of all the things that I wanted to achieve this year. And I'm on my way to achieving a lot of that, and I'm short. Some of those, like I'm right here, and a lot of those, like, I got a lot of room to catch up, like 100K. I got some room, man. Like, we almost at 60, which is amazing. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all, but we got like 40,000 more. It can happen, though. It can happen. But the move, I'm getting ready to move, y'all. Like, it's official. I'm getting ready to move downtown, and I simply just want to thank. I might even make a video just particularly talking about that. I don't even know who's still watching this. We at like 9 minutes and 28 seconds. A lot of y'all, when I don't show a shoe, y'all just leave the channel, which is fine. But I'm getting ready to move downtown, and that was a dream of mine. When I first moved to Atlanta, coming from Cleveland, if anybody from Cleveland, you know what Cleveland looks like, you know what Cleveland smells like, you know the environment. I'm like, yo, when I moved to Atlanta and I'm driving through downtown my first time in Atlanta, I'm like, yo, bro, I'm going to get a spot out here. And it stayed in my mind, not really knowing that I ever would, because at this time, You know, life wasn't the best. You know, I ain't really have a lot of opportunities at that time, but I'm like, yo, I'm gonna get me a crib down here. Like somehow, some way, I'm gonna get me a spot down here, and it looks so nice. And to now, it actually being reality, and it's all due to y'all. Like I get in front of this camera, don't get me wrong, and I make videos, but y'all support them. Y'all like to smash the like button. Y'all just support me 100%. And without y'all contribution, this would not be possible. So the deadline I'm looking for is probably August, is when I like get up out of here and move into the spot. And I'm excited about that, bro. Like new beginnings. You know what I'm saying? The content gonna go to another level. Just like being downtown, being around all the different sneaker stores and the atmosphere and just the vibes. I just feel like I just give this channel a whole new rebirth that I've been waiting for a while. So that really is a dream come true, right? So that's like the whole dream big mind state. Just I seen it, I wanted to do it, and I just bust my ass until those dreams became reality. But we still got a lot more to do over on the channel. We still got a lot more to do over in this marathon, bro, of just black acceptance and just social injustice. So it's just good to have everybody tuned in. It's good to have everybody supporting each other right now. Right now is just a good time. I'm seeing like a lot of people supporting black-owned businesses. A lot of people giving more notice towards worthy causes. And it's sad for it to be something like this to happen. But at the end of the day, it's happening. So I just look at it halfway full instead of halfway empty. Regardless, it's your boy Sniper Jones, man. Thank y'all so much, like, for everything. For more than just watching the videos, for the people who DM me, for the people who use my Rejuvenator link, like all these things allow me to be able to do these things that I'm thankful for. You know, for the people who use my discounts, whether it be Soul Premise, whether it be, you know, whatever, man, donating to YouTube Live or follow me on IG, it all helps. It really does. So thank y'all, man. I love y'all. And until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but we're really putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.